today we will discuss one of the important topic, that is the value education. Value education is a new concept that add into now the studies to improve the values in the students. So in the overall presentation I will discuss with you the introduction of values and its type, education and its types, concept of value education, why there is need of value education, and what are the methods for improving the value education. First of all, there is a meaning and introduction of the value education. We divide the value education into two parts, that is the value or education. So what is the value? Value is the importance of a work. When we find out the something worthily about something, yeah, some material and some concepts, that is a value. And education is a lifelong learning. So value education, when we told you about the importance and worth of the lifelong learning. In India, in the global education industry, there are 74% of a literacy rate, and there is a 1.4 million schools and 36,000 institutions. Values and its type, basically there are 5 types: social value, culture value, individual value, global value, spiritual value. Social value. In social value, it's include human condition reflected in life, compassion, joy, love and truth. So in social value, we groom the individual relate to the joy, love, truth. So we can say we improve the individual to be do very good relationship with other. These joy, love and truth if add in your relationship, it's really become worthwhile. Second one is your culture values. In the culture values, we learn about the different languages, education, laws and economies. As you know, India is a very large culture, and in this culture there are many type of the people from the different religion, people from the different culture, and each culture have their own language, own food, own dress. So in this we comes to know the unity in the culture, that we all are one, we do not have a differentiation. Global value, part of plants and similarity nature are interlinked with the harmony, in which we learn about the nature. Socially, we learn that we don't need to harm anyone. Individual values, in which we enhance the personality of the individual, because I think it's a really necessary to have a good personality, because you be judged by your personality, you judge by the way you will talk, you judge by the way of your behaving, your attitude. I think should be a very positive. Spiritual value. In spiritual value, we learn the reduction of wants, self-discipline, reflective in the self-control. So basically we learn the self-control, self-discipline and reduction of the wants. Or I think this is one of the main values which should be having every individual. It's really make your personality a good personality and a positive personality in the front of others. Now the education and its type. Education are 3 types: formal, value or value based. In a formal education, it's related to a read, write, will get good job. This is a normal, and I think every individual follow this formal education. Now there is a value education which is not followed by all the individuals, but yes, some percentages are now improving, in which we learn about using the instrument, right or wrong, and it's helpful in loving. I think in a life it's a very much significant role if we know what is right and what is wrong, because if we know what is right and wrong, we can say never be like hurt anyone. Value based education. In a value based education, we learn environment education, ecology, biodiversity. Value based education can strengthen students for optimistic to be a positive, self-esteem to be self-control, self-discipline, commitment to personal fulfillment, ethical judgment and social responsibility. So we can say that in the value based education, helps to improve and the growth of an individual personality, because they learn the positivity in their life, they learn the self control, self respect in their life. So overall there is a grooming of an individual to become a positive optimistic person in their life. Concept of the value education, in which why and how can use less resources and energy, why need to be cleaning the surroundings, use less fertilizer, separate our garbage. So this is a basic we can say ethics which is learned by the value education. Or I think in this word, in this materialistic world, it's a very necessary, because everyone is just wasting a material, don't conserve the nature, don't conserve the things which can be not be, we can say, find easily. So it really helpful to the growth our country. Need of value education, why the see, value education is added in the our educational system. So why this added? This should be added because we want to create the attitude of the person to the positive. We increase the awareness between the peoples about the nature, about the nationality, history, about the environment. Then understand environment with interlinked, know about living and non-living organisms. So basic need for value education to improve our nature, to improve the ethics in the people, so that people know the value of the nation, that whatever in the nation, whether it's a natural thing, whether there is a man material things, it should be very worthful, because it should be take too much long time to make anything. Methods, how can we improve the value education, how can we build a value education in the students, in the individual? We can improve the value education by telling them, as if I know something good, I know what is bad or wrong, I think it's my responsibility. If someone is doing wrong in front of me, then I should be responsible to tell him, to guide him, to help him to be saw the way of the good. Modeling, when you playing the role play, then role playing, the same role playing when you play the role of someone noble person, someone, the person which is really good in their life. So I think it helps to create the value education. Problem solving, we have to solve the problem. If someone is in a bad condition, someone is a very bad problem, it's our responsibility to help him to improve that problem. Then studying biography of the great men, as you know, there is a Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, there is a great persons in our nation. So to study their to study about their life, to study about their career, it's a very helpful to improve the value education. So overall, value education is very necessary. Education, as education is not a problem, education is an opportunity. As the time students think that education is a great problem, and we see that so much take the stress because they are not getting the good marks or not. But I think education is an opportunity, because through the education you learn too many values. Every day when you went to your school or colleges or any institution, you meet a new peoples. Every peoples have their own attitude, language, the way of dressing, their personality, attitude is different too. So you learn the different peoples. To learn the you cannot become a judgmental, but yes, when you analyze the different peoples, then you know the difference between the right and the wrong. Thank you. So this is overall about the value education and why there is a need of the value education.